Here's Jim. Jim is a lovely bird. He's out early in the morning and standing up here, looking for his breakfast. Has no friends. Wait there, he might be onto something here. No, he'll keep pecking. Unfortunately, Jim has no friends. Jim, we will find you friends one day, mate. But for now, mate, you just keep pecking. Here we have, handed up here, where you would think Jim would have fair few friends. I did see a feral pigeon, but unfortunately Jim did not take to him. I will pass pictures of the feral pigeon, which we have named Gary. Unfortunately, Gary was not suited for Jim. I now have to go, but hopefully Jim will find a new friend.
Babe, come on.
Here lies Tim. Shut up, Tim.